it's your girl Jay, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. It's your girl Jordan Elise, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my Mielle products that I got. This video, let me do a disclaimer. Not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I wish it was. Mielle, if you ever want to work with your girls, hit me up, you know? My phone is right here. It's always right here. So just hit me up. But yeah, this video is not sponsored. However, if Mielle sees this, if y'all want to sponsor me or shout your girl out, I'm here for it, okay? I have the box right here. As you guys already saw, I unboxed it. But I'm just going to be going through and showing you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's get started. This is from their Hawaiian Ginger series. And it is a moisturizing hair butter. And y'all, this is actually a product that I will always buy. Like, whenever I run out, I re-up. So this is my re-up, okay? I use this on my mom's locks. I use it for my hair whenever I do like a twist out or just detangling my hair, because y'all, it feels so good in my hair. It makes my hair feel so soft. So I will forever and ever stand by this product. Literally, the last bottle that I had wasn't nothing left. You couldn't scrape off anything. The entire bottle was empty. Like, it's a clear bottle. It's a clear container. Not bottle. It's a clear container. There was no product left. I done scraped everything off the top and everything inside, okay? So I stand 100% by this product. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I may ask my mom if I can like retwist her hair this weekend or something, because yeah, no words. Yeah. Next product that I got, I haven't tried this one before, but maybe it's new. But they have a mint and almond oil, and so I really want to try it, especially for my braids, because this summer I'm doing box braids the entire summer. Maybe like right before I go back to school, I'll get my hair, like I'll do like a silk press on my hair before I go back to school, just so that my ends are trimmed and everything. But really for the summer, I'm trying to do box braids, okay? So I got this mint and almond oil to refresh my scalp, okay? And I really wanted to try it because this is a line that I've never tried. Like, this is a scent that I've never really tried. So let's smell it. I think it's gonna smell real good. Ooh, that mint is potent. Ooh. For these new products I'm trying, if y'all want like a review, let me know. The last thing in hair that I got that I'll also heavily stick by, this is also a re-up, is this rosemary and mint hair oil for like dry, itchy scalp and regrowth. Oh, my hair, is it rosemary and mint, or is it rosemary and, y'all know I can't see, hold on, rosemary and mint, and it has several uses actually. So for strengthening hair, it helps with scalp repair or like scalp treatment and split ends, and it can be used daily. And I use it daily, especially when I have my braids, like right when you get your fresh braids and that scalp is fresh and tingling. Yeah, I use this. So this is a re-up. This one is so good. It smells so good. Ooh, yeah. And honey base, so that's the entire series. So I got these under eye drops. Why? I don't know, but I've heard that this is really good, and just drops for under your eyes are really good. And it's like a gel. Yeah, so it's like a gel. Let's see if I can open it. Get some Yeah. So I'm excited to try this. If I didn't have on makeup, concealer especially, I would try this. But maybe if I do like a skincare routine or some type of routine, I'll see if I can implement this, and then we'll see how it works out and what it does. I'm gonna take a couple days to try it, and then I'll see if I like it. I got this face lotion with SPF 15. And yeah, I don't want to pull the packaging off, but yeah. And then the last thing that I got, is this face serum, revitalizing face serum. I don't know where I would put this in my skin routine, like my facial routine. I don't know if I would put it in between toner and moisturizer. I don't know if it would go after moisturizer, you know what I mean? So I'll have to look. But I'm also really excited to try this. I will say that I do have a couple of her other products in the skincare. I think she has like a charcoal face mask that's also with the pomegranate and honey series. And then I do have a face scrub that's also in the pomegranate and honey series. Another staple item that I will say that I truly like is her Babasu. I think that's how you pronounce it. Babasu and Mint. It's a deep conditioner, and I think it's a whole series. Babasu and Mint, so good. Smells so, y'all, so good, so fresh. Whenever I use that, especially the conditioner, whenever I use it to do like a deep treatment, whenever I just like let it sit in my scalp and on my hair, it makes my scalp feel amazing. I've also briefly tried the rice water products. I think I have like a spray. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, the nozzle broke off. I was being a little rough, but this is her rice water, which is really good. All of her products, all of Miel's products really stand up, and they're really good. And I think I forgot to mention, but this is the big thing. I got literally all of these products. 1, 2, 3. Where are the others? So the thing about these products, I literally got all of these. Each product was marked for $7 site-wide. On the website, it was $7 for each of these. Normally, these are priced, especially with the hair products, they're priced at like $14, maybe $16. Black hair care is expensive. Okay, it's expensive. So when I saw that they were running a sale, I think it was for their anniversary, that they were running a sale for $7, each item $7, baby, I ran to her website so freaking fast, yo. I did regular shipping, which is free, I think. So maybe like a week and some change until I got my box. And I actually ordered from them before, and I filmed, but I never posted. I never edited. I never posted. But I got another box, and that's, I think it was, when was it? Cyber Monday, like that Cyber Monday, Black Friday sales, when all that was going on. The website was marked for $6 site-wide, and I got a whole bunch of her products. And I didn't unboxing video. I just never posted it. I was a little shy. So I might see if I can post that, or I might show y'all like what I got in that box as well at the end of this video. If I don't, remind me and I'll post it. But yeah, y'all, so black hair care is expensive. I love supporting a black business like Miel. I will always support black businesses, okay? Okay. So yeah, girl. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, girl. Let me know if y'all have ever tried any one of these products that I have here, or just any of the Neon products in general. Until then, thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. And yeah, bye.